Have you ever seen a leaking shower valve replaced without a single flame or drop of solder? Here's exactly how to do it yourself. Cut a clean rectangular access panel in the drywall using an oscillating multi-tool and keep a shop vac running to capture every bit of dust. Apply pipe dope to the threaded adapters and tighten them into the new valve body with tongue and groove pliers. Cut through the existing copper lines with an oscillating multi-tool metal blade to free the old leaking valve completely. Measure and dry fit new copper pipe sections and 90-degree elbow fittings until the new valve is perfectly centered. Use a ProPress cordless hydraulic tool to crimp every connection permanently. No torch, no solder, no heat, just a watertight mechanical seal in seconds. Slide the pressure-balanced cartridge into the valve body from the shower side. This regulates temperature and prevents shower shock. Install a 2x4 wood block behind the valve and screw it firmly to the studs. This stops pipes rattling inside the wall forever. Level the wall supply elbow and tighten with an Allen key. Mount the escutcheon plate, attach the handle, and turn the water on. A plumber charges $900 for this. You just did it for under $80.